Good morning, guys. We are going to Cars and Coffee. Today we're taking the Tesla and we're just gonna park and then walk around because we gotta bring more people. So we're going to Cars and Coffee. You know where that is?
Cars and Coffee at the beach. Did I get it right?
Nah.
It's not at the beach?
No.
Oh. What kind of coffee do they have? They have good coffee? I'm really tired.
It's pretty good. I'm tired too. We're
Okay,
gonna get coffee.
good. Yeah,
then we're gonna walk around. Lachlan's gonna follow us with this camera.
Okay, cool. Yeah, this guy woke me up 14 minutes ago.
Yeah.
With a Tucker sandwich.
Oh, that is so cute.
That boy got one of the best sandwiches ever.
So basically the joke is
They coddled me to wake me up. Just say that, bro. You guys manhandled me and it was cool. It was great. I liked it. And because it got me out of that bed, you know, with like oxytocin.
Not true.
No, definitely true. Oxytocin's the huggy hormone. That's what it's called, bro. The hugging hormone.
Oh, I like that one.
That's what my teacher taught it to me, is the hugging hormone.
Your teacher taught you about gave you the hugging hormone?
Yeah, we learned firsthand.
Whoa. He gave you the hugging hormone?
When they really can't see.
What up?
Hey boy.
Yo.
Dude.
Guys, by the way, this is a second channel where I can kind of like just be myself more in the videos, because it's also good for car stuff, because I do like cars, but I don't want to just make videos about cars. Especially since YouTube is my job. My main channel is kind of more like a little bit stressful sometimes, so I want to just like enjoy myself when I talk about cars and stuff, because I really love them, and just like spend time with my friends and stuff. So that's why, oh shoot, that's why we got this channel. So now you can find out things about me you didn't know in the main channel. Like, for instance, did you know that we go bar for bar on Central C? Nobody knows that crap about me, bro. Fine. Slow down with the greatness, gotta take time, pose out on a beating. When a day night change, when I got famous, I'll explain it.
There's so much wind, till the perfume still got back on. Remember that we never had.
I get on my, I'm not in a mood, got my flight private jet, and I'm asking a BBK, woke up back truck.
Don't lie with the fact that she made me wanna go harder. I like her hard, I think I'm obsessed.
Dude, you know literally every single lyric to that song.
But what about like that?
Dude,
Do you think I could knock on my boy out right now?
To the bar, I'll fling your bro.
Which one? 360, my head got spun. Tell me what you want. Log one. Demand them to inconsiderate. 5-star hotel smoking. My whip could have been in the top. No, man. I get that.
oh wow.
That's my dream car.
Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Oh no.
You got that? Oh my god.
Oh no.
Yo, you can't park there, bro.
I'll soon show you in a minute.
Yeah, that's my guy. What up, gents?
Yeah.
Hey, hey.
Hey, buddy.
Oh yeah, that was beautiful.
That's like one of my dream cars ever.
Dude,
and then
did he crunch?
Bro, totally crunched. We got the whole damn video. It was like,
I don't think it crunched.
this guy, you gotta ban this guy.
What are you talking about? It didn't crunch.
I don't think it did that.
This guy's like disagreeing with me. Man,
I just don't, because my mom's car does that every day.
Yeah, but that's like a $1 million car.
No.
He doesn't think it's a.
My neighbor, she always pounds her front of her car into her driveway. She goes about 18,000 miles per hour.
Crunch in it. Sorry, delete that. Freaking delete that. That was the worst thing I've ever said. London is over there, and he has Audi RS3. It's super beautiful, and I love it. Who's calling? What up, Jetty?
How's it going?
How are you? All the boys here. We're at Cars and Coffee. Hey, boy. Oh my gosh! Every single
Sexy, bro.
and it's all on video. Oh my gosh, bro! Oh my
Gosh, I love you.
Yo, get one with Noah.
I don't not hit a clean dab.
No, get one with Noah.
Hey, it still had a pop. Still had a pop.
London has a Audi RS3. It's right over here. Wait, London, you got a downpipe?
No, he got a downpipe.
Oh, he got a
I got
downpipe.
an exhaust.
Oh.
What are we filming a video for?
Bro, this
is Owen
our
just
own
filming?
secret channel. He wants me to film.
Oh, definitely.
Wait.
Guys, we're looking at cars,
Yeah, this. Have you seen this
we're
one?
looking at girls,
Raymond?
and we're making money, bro.
So, this is so funny, bro. We got like going all over.
Where's your Ducati?
You know Jack? Colin?
Yeah,
I
Jack-
talk
Jack-
and
we
work
talk
with him like
all the
every
time,
single
bro.
day. He's always telling me, he's like, bro, Raymond's locked the freaking.
I love Jack, bro.
Bro, we gotta hit a
He's the man,
grind,
bro.
coffee shop grind set.
Okay, now.
It's better than GT3 RS
Why?
because it doesn't have a roof.
Oh.
Wait, are they watching F1 right now?
Yeah. That's our friends. Dude, I like
Oh,
the. I like
did
the-
you get that car doing the F1 show?
No.
Bro.
You're gonna have to take me.
We're streaming F1 up in here, bro. What the heck?
Regulations this year.
I want V8s to come back for saving money.
They managed to get off the
19 shotty and a turbo.
I ain't seen Shorty in a turbo. Look at this.
wild.
I have a question, bro.
What?
Okay, I don't know nothing about cars. What makes cars so cool? Is it just like how fast they go?
It's just like your personal like opinion.
Okay.
And rarity is like.
If you can get multiple, it depends how many girls you can get into the vehicle.
Okay, gotcha.
The more, the
That's
better.
a great way to say it, bro. That's like the best way to communicate it to this guy.
Yeah, it's like a big fast one, a really big like a mom van that just shoots, bro.
Or a truck with a giant truck bed.
Oh yeah, just pile them all up.
Like Tetris, bro.
Gotcha. Okay. Like Jenga. Hope they don't fall. You know what I mean? I'm gonna pull one out. You know what I'm saying?
It's London's birthday today. He is now 19.
Dude, I'm on.
You're an actual 19-year-old boy, bro. What are your thoughts on that?
I feel like I'm getting older.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. I'm just saying stuff at this point. I'm chilling on 2.5 hours of sleep,
Okay.
which is pretty lit.
Okay.
Give me a random one for the first one. Yeah. Bro, it was so bad. He's got the V6 swap.
Oh my. What in the even Justin Buzzer? Alright, so we're looking for a GTR R34 or R33 Skyline, my favorite car. If you don't know, I traded Chopsticks into my dream car on my main channel, and it was a Nissan Skyline R33. And so I loved that car, but as much as I loved it, I did end up having to sell it. Unfortunately, because I'm in the process of moving to Japan, and so I couldn't just leave the car at the house because my dad had to take care of it. And Nissan Skylines have a lot of things you got to take care of and fix. You know what I'm saying? This is my friend Dylan. Explain yourself, bro.
I'm an artist and I make videos, and today we're looking at really epic cars together. My name's Dylan. I'm here with my boy Owen. I'm an artist from Tampa, Florida, and today we're looking at epic cars together.
So he doesn't know anything about cars, but
don't.
he's visiting me, so I was like, all right. Wait, Jetty's Rizzy. Wait.
Yo, we should go.
Let's capture this.
Yo, Jetty. Oh, I love it.
Frick. Okay, Jetty is not in pursuit of a freshman anymore.
Hey, look at the Supra! Look at the
Oh
Supra!
my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh, what is this?
You guys are walking so.
Wait, look at this! Look at this! Look at this!
What the? F40, bro. Lockwood. This is Lockwood's dream car.
Want it. That's gonna be mine one day.
You guys sponsored by Rolex, bro?
We're trying to find out how much this bag is worth.
What does that bag do?
I don't know, it just says F40 on it.
You gotta get closer.
He's asking ChatGPT right now.
I can see the Ferrari logo and the craftsmanship. That looks like a luxury. Given that it's a Ferrari branded leather bag, it could be part of a special collection.
Look at that Corolla.
Bro, it's got the vintage stains
We're in
on
the
it, bro.
street, though.
You see that?
Alright,
Well, if you guys are here, I'm filming you in the streets because I'm the goated filmer.
that's facts.
And when I film, bro. And I don't just like.
There ain't no in between.
I don't do half all
I
filming.
like that. This is why you're the GOAT. 911E.
Dude, how about that Honda Civic over there?
Oh. I actually love that. Oh, look at our gang, bro.
Well, now I'm like,
Dude, this is like the coolest car I've ever seen.
Oxytocin.
Dude, look at that mountain right there. Oh my gosh.
This one? You don't have those?
Is that the Hollywood sign, bro?
You don't have those in Florida?
None.
I own all of them.
I'm Team Shoddy and what?
Hey. Hey, guys.
You really enjoying that straw?
I think I have a mouth fixation.
Nice.
All right. So,
how do I say
if money wasn't an issue, what car would
Lamborghini
you buy?
SVJ.
Oh, geez, you already knew that one. Are you a car guy?
Yeah.
Ferrari. Okay, what would you do if you had?
For a Pista Spider, GTR 34 Skyline, GTR 30. He's getting a GTR 33.
They don't have a frame.
All right, okay. R33 GTR Skyline. This is the car that I sold, but I didn't have a GTR version. The one I bought, I think, was 33. Bro, my nipple is hard.
What? Bro.
No, it's just itchy a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. Good things come to those who itch. All right.
I've never heard that one.
Me neither. I don't know why I said that.
Yo, this ain't a GTS.
It looks like that
32 looks so
32
good.
is cooked, bro.
He's like in the
Bro,
same era.
oh my.
I'm just kidding. I'm just
It
kidding.
has the best.
This thing is so clean, though, bro.
I don't understand how the GTS and the Nismo go together.
It doesn't even look cool to me.
I actually don't know what that is. If you guys know, you can tell me.
Wow.
Holy moly. You like this
That's
Skyline?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah. Which would you say is the best Skyline?
Listen.
Honestly, the R33 is nice, but I don't like it because it's too boxy. The R34 looks better.
I agree,
R34
I
is
agree.
R34 is way boxier.
Well, yeah, it is. The R34 is boxier.
It's way boxier. This one looks like a
But I
freaking-
get that the
this looks like a
R34
bullet.
is better.
Yeah, but the R32 is good. It looks way better.
See, he understands.
Y'all are
Owen.
chopped.
The R32 is low-key underrated.
My favorite
Underrated?
one. No, it's my favorite
It's
one.
so overrated. All right, listen.
Underrated is the R34.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
no,
also
that's
overrated.
fair.
But people.
Have you guys seen F40 drive by?
It just went that way. It's
Bro, it's totally gone. I'm not gonna lie.
No way. He like ran 2 blocks.
Yeah, no, it's gone. It's so far away now.
okay.
So like OC is not that far either. It's like 40 minutes. But when I go there, it's like, bro, the traffic down
so bad.
after. That is tragic, bro. Like, you don't want to get stuck in that, bro.
For real.
Usually, if we go to OC, we just stay up there for the whole day. Like,
Unless
we'll
you
go
use
there and then
secret
drive
lane.
up more.
You gotta use the secret lane.
What?
Secret lane.
The slow lane?
No, secret lane.
What is
The
that?
shoulder.
The shoulder?
Oh, what the heck? I like 33s, bro. I used to really dislike them, and then I got one. It wasn't a GTR, but I got one and I fell in love with it, bro.
No, that's fair.
And so now I'm just like, I want one, but like a GTR.